What's up, everybody? This is the IRA Wealth Builder. Today is June 9th, 2025. I hope everybody had a very nice weekend. We have a busy week ahead. But before we start, as always, there's a disclaimer at the end for your viewing pleasure. So let's get into it. Last week, as we all know, there was a fight between Donald Trump and Elon Musk. Brought the S&P down on that day on Thursday. And there was a uh, Twitter match going back and forth of words. But on Friday, we had a good jobs report, and the fighting kind of simmered down a little bit. So we recovered, and this was all over Donald Trump's big, beautiful bill that he's excited about, but Elon Musk is definitely not excited about. We will see how this plays out into this week. And speaking of this week, we have a busy one. We have the U.S. and China in London talking about trade. Today we have the Apple Worldwide Developers Conference keynote. Um, we have earnings. We have some economic numbers. Um, we the economic numbers are basically only two real big ones, especially Wednesday, which is the CPI. The Consumer Price Index number will be huge. I expect some very late trading on Tuesday as people wait to see what happens on Wednesday. And on Thursday, we got initial jobless claims and PPI, which are okay, but CPI is the one that's going to be mostly looked at. On to the futures. Looks like they're kind of flat right now. Dow's only up 13, and S&P is essentially flat. Nasdaq's down a little bit, and the small caps are up a little bit. Gold is down 13 bucks an ounce, which is basically nothing. But I want to draw your attention to silver. Silver has been breaking out, and this is something worth paying attention to. Over the last week, it's really made its move. And actually, if you even go out a month or so, um, silver has moved, and I think that it is worth getting into on this breakout. It's been trailing gold for a while, but it looks like silver's time. It's silver's time to run. So I will be getting back to that in a few moments. Take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking pretty good today. It's up over 107,000. It's only a few thousand away from its all-time high. And on to treasuries. Looks like the long bonds are kind of flat to down, whereas the shorter maturities or yields are up a little bit. Um, pretty much a non-event right now. They will definitely move when CPI comes out on Wednesday, but right now we're under 5% on that 30-year, which is pretty key to a lot of people. Um, so let's move on to earnings of this week. Calendar is kind of light. However, we do have some interesting names like GameStop, which is a fan favorite. We'll see how they do. They are, as you know, have made a big initiative into Bitcoin, so we'll see how they are doing. The other ones that are of importance are probably Oracle and Adobe on Thursday. Moving on to some plays of the week. On Friday, I bought some Broadcom calls. Broadcom came out with their earnings on Thursday night. and they were great. I mean, everything was growth and making money and positive, and well, as a result, the stock went down and about $10 or so. I bought on Friday. I bought some calls. I really think that Broadcom's going to rebound and get back up to 260 or more. It's a great company, and their earnings are just outstanding. Everything was positive about it, and it was unfairly sold off. But that makes it a buying opportunity. Getting back to silver, silver cannot be ignored. Silver, just pull it up here, is breaking out, as I had mentioned. There's no doubt about it. And when you see something break out like this, uh, it's time to get on the train. Uh, I'd like to see it sell off just a little bit to get a better entry, but we're going to piecemeal into it and buy long dated options on it. And I think this thing has room to run. We can see $40 an ounce at some point, but this is definitely one I'm going to go into. The other thing I was interested in is some PANW, otherwise known as Palo Alto. I don't have any internet security stocks, and Palo Alto seems to be very popular. It's probably the best of breed, and I like the chart. I like the business. I like the security. I like with the rise of AI, there's probably going to be more need for network security. So as a result, I'm going to be looking to buy some long dated calls on this one probably today. So that's what I got right for now. It's going to, like I said, it's going to be a busy week. Anything can happen. Anything can happen with Trump and Elon Musk and with the Apple conference and with the trade talks and just in general, one tweet or one press conference can make a huge difference. We will see what happens. But for now, if you liked what I had to say, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope everybody has a nice day. And talk to you soon. Bye bye.